Welcome back. We are still on the topic statistics. In the previous video, we learned how to construct an ungrouped frequency distribution table for a given data. In this video, we are going to learn how to construct a grouped frequency distribution table for a given data. Let's consider this question. The number of goals scored by 36 football teams in a competition are as follows. So we have the number of goals here. The question says that construct a frequency distribution table using the intervals 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, etc. When you compare this question to the ones that we have solved in the previous videos, you will see that there's a slight difference. For this question, we have been asked to draw the frequency distribution table using these intervals. So what we are going to do is that we are going to group the number of goals scored by the football teams under these intervals. And because we are going to group the data we have here under these intervals, the frequency distribution table we are going to construct will be a grouped frequency distribution table. Let's see how to go about that. So we have the data here. The question says that we should use the intervals 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, etc. to construct the frequency distribution table. We have learnt from the introductory videos that a simple frequency distribution table has 3 columns. The first column will be for the max, the second column will be for the tally, and the third column will be for the frequency. So our table will also have 3 columns. The first column will be for the max, which is the number of goals scored. The second column will be for the tally, and the third column will be for the frequency. Now let's determine the number of rows that the table will have. The number of rows that the table will have will depend on the largest value that we have in the data. So to get the number of rows, we first have to find the largest value that we have in the data. So you go through the data carefully and you pick the largest value. From this data, our largest value is 49. After you have identified the largest value, you continue the intervals given to you in the question until you get to the interval that will contain the largest value. Looking at the intervals given to us in the question, the next one will be 30 to 39. But the largest value we have is 49. 49 does not fall within this interval, so it means that we have to move on to the next interval. The next interval will be 40 to 49. 49 falls within 40 to 49, so it means that 40 to 49 will be the last interval. We have 5 intervals in total. Each interval will occupy 1 row in the table. The heading will also occupy 1 row. So in total, we are going to have 6 rows. So the table we are going to construct will have 6 rows and 3 columns. I'm going to clean the ink that we have from the page so that we can draw the table. So this is our table. It has 6 rows and 3 columns. The first column will contain the heading. So we have the goals scored here, we have the tally, and we have the frequency. After that, we will list the intervals that we have under the goals scored. So the first interval is 0 to 9, the second interval is 10 to 19, the third interval is 20 to 29, the fourth interval is 30 to 39, and the last one is 40 to 49. We are now done with the first column. Let's move on to the second column, which is the tally. From the previous videos, we have learnt that the tally is a count of the marks, and each mark is represented with a stroke. Here, we are using intervals. So we will go through the data and we will count the marks that falls under each of these intervals. Let's begin with the first one. The first one is 31. So you will look at the interval that 31 falls under. 31 will fall under the interval 30 to 39. So 30 to 39 will have one stroke. So 31 has been counted. I'm going to cross that out so that you see that we have counted it. The next one is 40. 40 will fall under 40 to 49. The next one is 20. 20 will fall under 20 to 29. The next one is 35. 35 will fall under 30 to 39. The next one is 21. 21 will fall under 20 to 29. The next one is 12. 12 will fall under 10 to 19. The next one is 11. 11 will also fall under 10 to 19. The next one is 39. 39 will fall under 30 to 39. The next one is 16. 16 will fall under 10 to 19. The next one is 0. 0 will fall under 0 to 9. The next one is 28. 28 will fall under 20 to 29. The next one is 49. 49 will fall under 40 to 49. The next one is 29. 29 will fall under 20 to 29. The next one is 32. 32 will fall under 30 to 39. The next one is 17. 17 will fall under 10 to 19. The next one is 2. 2 will fall under 0 to 9. The next one is 12. 12 will fall under 10 to 19. But we already have 4 strokes here, so we will use the 5th stroke to cross it. The next one is 24. 24 will fall under 20 to 29. We already have 4 strokes here, so we will use the 5th one to cross it. The next one is 14. 14 will fall under 10 to 19. So we have that here. The next one is 1. 1 will fall under 0 to 9. The next one is 10. 10 will fall under 10 to 19. The next one is 23. 23 will fall under 20 to 29. The next one is 19. 19 will fall under 10 to 19. The next one is 13. 13 will fall under 10 to 19. The next one is 26. 26 will fall under 20 to 29. The next one is 30. 30 will fall under 30 to 39. But we already have 4 strokes here, so we will use the 5th one to cross it. The next one is 10. 10 will fall under 10 to 19. We have 4 strokes here, so we use the 5th one to cross it. The next one is 21. 21 will fall under 20 to 29. The next one is 18. 18 will fall under 10 to 19. The next one is 0. 0 will fall under 0 to 9. The next one is 15. 15 will fall under 10 to 19. The next one is 11. 11 will fall under 10 to 19. The next one is 29. 29 will fall under 20 to 29. The next one is 8. 8 will fall under 0 to 9. We have 4 strokes here, so we use the 5th one to cross it. The next one is 12. 12 will fall under 10 to 19. And the last one is 1. 1 will fall under 0 to 9. So 0 to 9 will have another stroke here. We are now done with the tally. Let's move on to the last column, which is the frequency. The frequency is the tally that we have for each interval. So for the interval 0 to 9, we have a tally of 6. For the interval 10 to 19, we have a tally of 14. For the interval 20 to 29, we have a tally of 9. For the interval 30 to 39, we have a tally of 5. And for the interval 40 to 49, we have a tally of 2. So we have been able to construct a grouped frequency distribution table for the data that was given to us. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. In the next video, we are going to solve another question on constructing a grouped frequency distribution table for a given data. Bye-bye.